Welcome everyone to a quick guide for the LogixTrader platform. My name's Lachlan, I'm the sales trader here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the chart and add indicators to your platform. Let's get stuck into it. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to edit the chart properties. And to do so, I just need to go ahead and look at the top right hand corner here and click on this cogwheel. And we can change the style from candlestick to either hollow or bar, for example. I'll go and show you that now. You can change the color from an up candle to green or a down candle to red. I'm going to stick with a candle for now. Now, I know a lot of people who spend a lot of time looking at charts may want the background to be a darker color. And to do that, we just need to click on this background button here, and we need to change this from white to black. And I'm going to do that for you now. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the grid lines. I'm going to change that to black as well. And now we've done so. Also, I know some traders may want to change the color of the candlesticks. Now to do that, all we need to do is click on here. I'm going to change the up candles to white. And I'm going to change the down candles to black. Now you notice that as soon as I do that, we can't see them anymore because the background is black. And to change that, I just need to select and add a border here. And we still can't see it because the color is green, but I'm going to change that to white now. And now you're able to see that. So you can see very clearly here, the up candles are white and the down candles are black. And we can see them quite clearly because I put a nice border around those down candles. Now for adding indicators, all we need to do is click on the indicators button in the top right. And we've got 4 different categories. We've got indicators for trends, we've got oscillators, we have volume indicators, and we have Williams indicators. I'm going to go ahead and stick to the basics here and just select a moving average, and it's overlaid now on the chart. Now, you may want to change the settings of the indicator, and to do so, we can see each indicator we have on the chart in the top left-hand corner here, and I'm going to edit it by clicking on this settings cogwheel. We can change the length, so I'm going to have this as a 50-day moving average. You can set it to the close. If you'd like to change the style, I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and we can change it from blue. We can change it, the thickness of the line, and we can also change it if you just want it to be a normal straight line, a dashed line, or even further dashed line. I'm going to stick to it like that. Now, I want to add some other indicators on the chart. I'm going to go ahead and click on indicators here, go to oscillators, and I'm going to add the MACD. Now we can see it down here at the bottom of the chart. Again, if we'd like to change the settings, we just got to click on this cogwheel, and we've got all the different inputs that we can alter now. And you can see that there. If I'd like to remove an indicator, you can see I've got this garbage bin here. I can click on that, and now it's gone. Same for the moving average. If I'd like to remove it, I simply just click on this garbage bin or trash can, click on that, and now it's gone. Now, some of you might want to put some support and resistance lines or trend lines on the chart, and to do so, you've got all these handy tools here on the right-hand side of the chart. I'm going to go ahead and click on this trend line here and mark up this clear trend line here on the chart. Now, to edit it, we've got this handy feature here where you can change the color, we can change the thickness, or if you want to remove it, you just need to go ahead and click on this trash can here and remove it. If you want to add some Fibonacci, again, we click on this dash here. We've got all these different options. I'm going to click on Fib retracement. I'm going to take it from this high down to this low. We can see all the Fib levels that it has hit, and we can also see the Fibonacci extension levels up on the chart as well. If you'd like to alter the settings, it's going to go ahead and click on this cogwheel button here, and you can change all of that. You can change the input, and you can also change the style. What Fib levels do you want to see? There are a bunch of other ones that you can use, or you can take off some. Maybe you want to get rid of the 50% level. You can do so, and by doing that, it has removed that level on here for you. Now to remove this Fibonacci retracement, I'm just going to go ahead and click on this trash can line here. Another very handy tool I like is this trend channel indicator here. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to mark up this clear downtrend we can see on the chart. And now all I got to do is, once I've clicked, is pull down, and now I can mark up this clear resistance and support in a trend channel. You can see the line in the middle showing the mean, and you can see price bouncing between these two levels, and it's a very handy tool to have available to you. And that's it for this tutorial on how to add indicators and customize your chart. Stay tuned for more LogixTrader quick guides. Thank you.